What's good? Tommy Touge, back again for more. Today I'm heading to Upullet to go grab some bits. I'm gonna go pick up Patrice first, and then we'll head over. Alright, so I rocked up to Patrick's house. As always, he is getting stuff. He's very good, he's always on time, that man. What a gentleman. Yeah, we're gonna grab Patrick, and then we're gonna grab another friend of ours now coming, and then we're gonna go to Upullet, which to Americans is a junkyard or a wrecker if you're just a normal person. But yeah, we're gonna go grab some things for Capri, Corolla, and Patrick's Civic actually. So 3 mystical things to find, and yeah, I'm sure you'll see us a little bit later.
6.5 hours later.
Look who rocked up.
What?
Dude,
What's up?
There's banana etiquette. Small bites. Chew for no more than 3 seconds. Don't make eye contact. Patrick really likes bananas, by the way. Holy crap. Also, check the safety vest on the bloke. He doesn't want to get hit by a forklift that's probably not in operation. Just like that, it's gone, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you eat a banana. Real quick, no messing around. How to let your friends know you're here in Australia. Oh, what the fuck? Dun, 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 dun. It's Jimmy Hooper.
Do we get to get that thing started?
You can just shave, mate.
Made it.
What you doing?
Going down to an 8.
Oof. Told you it was an 8, didn't I?
No, I just wanted to double check.
Jesus. Look how he's got. He's got half the socket set out for an 8mm.
Losing shit on purpose. Oh, wait.
And then he's doing it up as well.
I don't want it.
What a mad maneuver. If I tighten it enough, the stud will snap and the light will come out. That's not exactly how it works, but fair enough. Yes, make sure you take your nuts with you, kids. You never know you need spares. He did it. Paddy's got a new EK tail light. Job done. Problem solved. Delicious. Oh, Spideys.
Now you're gonna have to bleep that.
That's alright.
How to make money starting off on YouTube.
It was worth it. You're worth the editing, Patrick. Patrick loves cleaning. No, seriously, he does.
Don't scratch it.
Gentle, love it. What are we gonna find next, Paddy? What's next?
Fuck, I can't even remember what I want. That exhaust. No, I'm joking.
Oh. Twin tip, hot. What's next?
B18, see?
No. I'm going to find a fuel flap release for Lauren's car.
Oh, that's right.
See a number pop up on screen, red dot. Just film the disappointment on your own face, please. Paddy pushed picture instead of record,
yeah, I heard.
so I've been talking to a dead camera for 5 minutes. James has just turned into freaking Hulk Hogan over here, started ripping it apart. It's not like he's a mechanic by trade, he's just smashing through it. Why am I here? I'm giving up the channel. Now we're gonna go to Jimmy Touge. What are you doing, Jimmy Touge?
Fucking ripping this shit out.
He's not stoked on it.
Fucking.
Oh dude, you take this panel off, it comes out.
Oh.
Undo like 3 screws, it comes out. There's like some screws in here, you loosen this panel and then you get that out.
Get it out of my face. Because I'm looking right at it.
Doesn't like the paparazzi kids.
Oh.
Dear Jimmy Touge, I really hope you enjoy dismantling my car.
Is there a note on there?
It's some garbage. I didn't really read it.
Get out of here.
What do we got, Paddy?
We got some C-Tech in it.
I don't know if you can see that, but it's...
You reckon it's economy?
C-Tech. It's energy walking around at over 4,500 revolutions per minute at the house. You need to shave. You look homeless. I haven't seen you in like 3 months, but where are we, mate?
What are you doing?
Rig on point.
Get out of here.
Rig on point. Hot lid. Are you sniffing it? Not paying for spider webs.
Paying for spider webs.
Not paying for spider webs. You fucking did nothing struck off. Just claim that.
Oh yeah, nice.
Paddy's got the proper flathead out. All the right equipment here. Handy hint, when you're in the desert, just use your knife.
No, when in Mexico.
Yeah. One.
In Mexico, mate.
Authentic.
Go in and out.
Sex in the junkyard.
Help feed me.
Got
Got it.
Beautiful. We got it, boys. Pack her up, fucking gone home. Apparently Tommy wanted to play some Destruction Derby.
I fucked up my new light.
Look, it wasn't my fault. I blame you. Actually, I blame the pristine 1996 Toyota Camry for having an alternator here instead of in here. After much arduous labour, we have another one. Free spiders. How do you feel about the free spiders?
They're gone.
They're gone. One happy young man with a new tail light. Someone's got to leave.
Peace.
Till next time. What's up? So we got a whole heap of stuff done today. Pretty random. A lot of you pull it and wrecking yard, and then we did a whole bunch of other stuff like test fitting parts on things and messing around and eating. But yeah, so we got a whole bunch of stuff done today that you'll see more of in later weeks. But yeah, I'm sure I'll see you all soon. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. See ya.